Hello, welcome to Sunday Career Ke Fun Day, in which every Sunday I come up with videos on careers, be it related to interviews, be it related to skill building or any other aspect of career. Right now I am doing videos on interviews and how to face various questions in interviews. I hope you have watched other videos. If not, then here is the playlist that you can go through. Today, I will be talking about a very important question that you will be asked in any interview, and that is about your hobbies. What is your hobby? Tell us, what do you do in your spare time? Questions like this. How to handle these questions and what are the key things to keep in mind? First and foremost, let us understand what is hobby. Hobby is anything in which you are actively engaged. Hobby is anything that you do, you like doing, and when you do it, you are completely lost or immersed in it, engaged in it, and you like being engaged and immersed. Hobby can be anything. Hobby, there is a difference between hobby and interest. Hobby requires much more dedication than your interest. Now, talking about hobby is very, very important in your interview because hobbies do tell a lot about you as a person. Now, there are few things that you need to keep in mind when you talk about your hobbies. So let me start. The first and most important thing is be honest. Now, your hobby can be anything. It can be playing video games, playing games on your mobile. It can be reading, it can be gardening, cooking, playing cricket, soccer, anything, analysis of sports, anything can be your hobby. So anything that helps you to relax, that is your hobby. Just remember that. So be honest. Second thing, which I think that many students commit this mistake, many people commit this mistake, when they talk about their hobby, they try to sound too intelligent. Guys, be honest, that's what I said. Don't try to sound too intelligent. Even if you like watching cartoons, that's perfectly fine as hobby. Even if you like to play games like PUBG or Candy Crush, that's perfectly fine for being a hobby. Now, the third thing that you need to remember is when you talk about your hobby, you should sound keen to talk and the passion should reflect because you really like to do that particular activity. In fact, in the interview, you should always take the lead and talk about your hobby. So any question, and the first question that interviewer asks, and the first opportunity that you get, you should talk about what you like, what do you do in your spare time, that is your hobby. For example, if they ask introduce yourself, then hobby should be included. For example, when they ask, if the first question is what are your goals in life, try to correlate it with your hobbies. What are your strengths and achievement? Try to correlate answer to your hobby. So what I am trying to say is you should speak about hobby because as I told in the beginning, it tells a lot about who you are as a person. The next thing that you should keep in mind is when you're talking about your hobby, please elaborate. Don't simply say that I like playing cricket and listening music. Now, please elaborate more. For example, when you are saying I like to play music, please specify what kind of music you like to play. Who is your favorite singer? You are talking about reading books, so who is your favorite author? And what kind of books you like? The reason is simple because you should always try to make interviewer ask next question when you talk about your hobby. If you can make the interviewer ask next question from this answer, then I think you have done a great job. That should be your objective, and that is why I'm saying when you're talking about your hobby, please elaborate more, right? So please keep these simple things in mind. Be honest, don't try to sound too intelligent, elaborate more, and always talk with passion when you are talking about your hobby. If you do these things, I'm 100% sure that the chances of success will be very, very high. So keep watching my videos, guys, and every Sunday, as I told you, I will be coming up videos with the videos on the careers, right? So bye and have a great time.